This is a spur gear, the most common gear type in machines. It has straight teeth and rotates on parallel shafts. It transfers motion with constant speed and is easy to design. Used in gearboxes, clocks, and conveyors. This is worm phase gear, unique right-angle gear pair. The worm drives the phase gear with smooth sliding contact. It gives high reduction ratios in compact spaces. Used in robotics, aerospace, and indexing machines. This is paradoxical gear, it rotates in the same direction. Unlike normal gears, these interlocked gears don't reverse motion. Mostly used for demonstrations and gear puzzles. Strange but true, gears that go the same way. This is differential gear, found in almost every car. It lets wheels rotate at different speeds during turns. Without it, your tires would skid and wear out fast. It splits torque between left and right wheels smoothly. This is Nautilus gear, also called variator gear. Its spiral-shaped teeth change the gear ratio smoothly. As it turns, contact radius increases, adjusting torque. Used in mechanical clocks and variable speed devices. This is an elliptical gear, not your regular round gear. It rotates unevenly to produce variable speed and torque. Used where non-uniform motion is needed, like in textile machines. Perfect for cyclic loads and mechanical timing. This is a planetary gear system, compact and powerful. It has a sun gear, planet gears, and a ring gear. Delivers high torque in a small space with smooth rotation. Used in automatic gearboxes, robotics, and turbines. This is a spiral bevel gear, smooth and strong. Its curved teeth allow quiet and gradual engagement. Used to transmit power at 90 degrees between intersecting shafts. Found in automotive differentials and heavy machines. This is a straight bevel gear, simple and angular. It has straight teeth and works at 90-degree shaft angles. Used to transfer motion between intersecting shafts. Common in hand drills, gearboxes, and machine tools. This is a hyperboloidal gear, designed for skewed shafts. It connects non-intersecting, non-parallel shafts smoothly. With a hyperbolic tooth shape, it reduces noise and wear. Used in machine tools, robotics.